Hello students, so the next topic that we are going to cover is the lost child, that is chapter number 1 from Moments. So now it was the spring season. People were going in large number to the fair of spring, and the child was also going to the fair along with his parents. And he was very excited because usually it happens, right? Whenever we go to fair, we are very excited because we see different things, we see many toys, and there are also many giant wheels and these types of toys that makes you feel very excited. So the same way, as he was very small, he was very excited to go to the fair, and he was attracted towards so many lovely things found there. That was like, for example, here you can see these are the toys. The toys in the shop had a special fascination for the child. He requested his parents to buy him a toy, but his parents diverted his attention. What happens when you go with your parents in the fair? You demand for many things, but as a parent, they know that they cannot afford many things for you. So same here, the child's parents were doing. Here they diverted his attention to something else. See, his father got angry, but mother diverted his attention towards other things. So his father was a very strict father who obviously loved his child, but at the same time he did not want that the child should get attracted to too many things. As they moved forward, the child saw sweet stall. So now his favorite sweet was burfi. As soon as he saw the burfi, his mouth was watered. Now he wanted to have those burfis, but again one more thing came to his mind, that if I am going to ask to my parents about for them to buy the burfi, they are going to say that you are greedy. So without saying anything, see, here we can see usually what happens. Children, they are tempted towards all these things and they want to eat many things. But now he did not ask about this for his parents. There were many things that attracted the child. As soon as he saw flower garlands, most of the times he lagged behind because he was seeing all those things and he wanted those things, but he did not say. As soon as he saw flower garlands, he stood there to see it. Then he saw snake charmer, he stood there and to see it. Then he saw balloons, but knew very well that his parents will say he was too old to play with balloons. As soon as he saw those colorful balloons, not only he, but many times what happened, now we are grown up, as soon as we see balloons, that too of different color, what happens? We want to buy them. So same feeling was going around to that child. Now he stopped to ask his parents the permission to enjoy the swing, but to his surprise there was no reply. So at the last he wanted to take permission from his parents to enjoy the swing, that was the roundabout. As soon as he asked his parents, and when he turned back, he saw, to his surprise, there was no one. Now he knew that he is lost and he started running here and there. Suddenly a kind-hearted man, that means a stranger, in fair, what happens whenever a child is lost? If you see a child roaming here and there without his parents, what will happen? You will go to him and you will ask. So similarly, this stranger came to him and he was asking him that what happened, but he was trying to console him because continuously he was just crying. वो चाहता था कि उसको console करे, and for that he asked him, do you want to ride in the roundabout? उसने वो सारी चीजें पूछी. He asked him for sweets. Do you want to have sweets? The child said no. He said, do you want balloons? He said no. Then he said, do you want to enjoy the ride? He said no. He just said one thing while crying, that I want my mother and father. He was running here and there, but as you know, the fair, whenever there is a fair, it is overcrowded because many people come to see it. So he was running here and there just to find his parents. So students, here see in the message that we get from the story is, the moral of the story, the lost child, is that many things can seem to be appealing in real life. What happens? The child, for him also many things were appealing. He wanted to buy many things, right? But he did not ask his parents. That shows that he was very intelligent. Instead of asking his parents, he kept quiet. And one more thing, he wanted to have all those things that he was he wanted to have. But when the stranger asked him for these things, he said, no, I don't want. He just asked for his mother and father. That means it shows how much he loved his parents. And also at this time he would have वो इस चीज़ का फ़ायदा उठा के, बिकॉज हिज पेरेंट्स वर सेइंग नो, दैट फॉर एवरीथिंग दे वर सेइंग नो, बट व्हेन दिस स्ट्रेंजर वाज आस्किंग फॉर हिम ही डायरेक्टली सेड नो, आई जस्ट वांट माय फादर एंड मदर. So students, this story gives a very nice message that what if you think that my parents are very bad, they hit me or something like that, it is not like that. They always think about you. In this story we also find that how the child goes on requesting one thing after the other. He asks for many things. So this shows clearly that parents have the greatest value in the eyes of the children.